Hello fellow geocachers and muggles, welcome back to another puzzle video. I'm gonna hide this 3D printed container that I got 20 of, and I'm gonna honor a childhood friend of mine who collected Smurfs as we were growing up. This puzzle is in honor of him. Welcome to today's puzzle, a Smurfing Good Time, GCA6VRH. As always with every puzzle, we got to make sure that we check the cache page for all the information that may help us. You can see right now we got a difficulty 2.5, terrain a 1.5, and this is going to be a micro. We'll show you the container later on. Cache description. We have a photo with the Smurfs. Geocache is not at the posted coordinates. And we have a paragraph to read to see if there's any hints. My best friend growing up loved the Smurfs. He had the whole collection of figurines in a display case. I want to say that they were in some kind of order. So I decided to create this puzzle just for him. Have a Smurfing good time solving this one. Not a lot of information to read, but there might have been a hint on a second line. We'll have to explore that a little bit more. Keep checking for clues. Scroll down and you can see here we have north with Smurfs names, west with more names. Down here we have something listed in the hints. We have not listed equals 0. Not listed. So if you look at the hints right now, we have not listed equals 0. So maybe we're looking for a list. And here some kind of order. I wonder, is there a list of Smurfs for a collection? So now, I did a Google search for the Smurfs list of characters. And I got a Wikipedia site that looks like it puts the name of the Smurfs in order. It could be how they were released. It could be just the order of the collection on where they're placed in a display. Not really sure. But not all puzzles require you to solve a cipher. Some of them just do a Google search or a couple of Google searches, and you'll get the right information. Because if you just go type in the Smurfs, you're going to get a lot of information just on movies and TV shows. But when you do a specific search for Smurfs characters list, because we have hints that say list and order, you want to do a very specific search. So now we found a list here, and this list is long. As we go all the way through very quickly to the end, we see that there's 107. Well, we have names, but we don't have 107 names. So now I'm going to go over to my other program and show you a breakdown of just the names that are on the puzzle. First at the top, we have the north chords and the names. And underneath that, we have the names cut and pasted from the list to show you better on how to solve this puzzle. So let's start at the beginning. North, Nanny Smurf, degrees. Nanny Smurf, and here's all the information, but it has a 40. How do you know if you're on the right path? Because when you're solving a puzzle, the degrees always have to match. It's just a given. So knowing that Nanny Smurf has to be 40 degrees, we have a 40, so that's pretty good. It's a pretty good indicator that you're on the right path. So we'll put 40 for Nanny Smurf Nosy Smurf, do the same thing. We have 41, we'll put that there. Geocacher Smurf. This is where there's a little curveball in the puzzle. Geocacher Smurf is not listed. But remember the hint? Not listed equals 0. So let's give Geocacher Smurf a 0. Then the last one is Submariner Smurf. Well, as we see, that's a 60. Put 60 there. And now we have chords. We have north 40 degrees, which definitely match the fake chords. And then we have 41, which also match the fake chords. Really good indicator that we're correct. And then it's 0.060 after that. So let's do the same for west. Let's figure this out quickly. Same thing. We got the west. We got all the names. And you look. Clueless Smurf is 75. Put that there. Grandpa Smurf is 22. We'll put that there. Grouchy Smurf is 5. We'll put that there. And Smurf Lily is 95. We will put that there. As you can see, we quickly got the west chords. 75 degrees matches for west. 22 also matches for west on the fake chords. So I guarantee this is it. So now let's take the chords and put them together. North 40, 41, 060, west 75, 22, 595. We are going to copy them. Go over to the cache page. Paste. Check solution. We are correct. We just solved the Smurfs geocache puzzle. This one was created not to be hard. And the point of me showing you this puzzle is once again to show you where to look for hints. These are right out in the open. They weren't hard to find. And to show you that not everything's a cipher. Sometimes it's just a simple Google search to find a list in order to solve a puzzle. Hope you learned something from this smurfingly good puzzle, and I hope you had a smurfingly good time. And now, let's go back out and show you the rest of the video of me hiding a container and where it is. The puzzle location. Once again, along this busy road. This time, we're at the end of the road, near the traffic light, where people are going to make a right-hand turn, go grab another cache called Chicken Roadhouse that already came out, and then they're going to walk down the other road back to parking. But here, at this location, we have a sign that says left lane must turn left. Well, for all of those people who are driving, they don't realize that there's a geocache on the back of the sign. So let's see how well that stays, because not many people come walking this way. And I don't want to keep putting stuff up here against the wall like I did twice already on previous puzzles. Well, folks, you might be asking, why are you just putting the caches next to the road on signs? Well, because I'm in the process of making a GeoArt, and this GeoArt is going to be a loop where you're going to come down that road, you're going to walk on the road that I am now to go grab a cache that's off to my left over here at a retention pond, and then from there you're going to walk down another road back to parking, and you're going to make one whole loop, and you can do all of the geocaches if you solve them all before you come out. That's my goal. But I'm putting 4 of them out per month. Not to overwhelm the reviewer, not to overwhelm myself. And they're coming out before I make the videos. Well, as always, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you for watching If you have not subscribed, please subscribe now. Turn on bell for notifications. And as always, happy trails, happy caching, and go get a smiley. I'm off to work. That's why I'm wearing my safety shirt.